Hi, this is Pooja here. So I'm currently in Pune. One time, so yeah, I'm currently in Pune. I'm basically from Mumbai. So my setup is in Mumbai, and luckily I got my bass guitar and my laptop out here, so I can continue working and keep practicing. So I came across a speaker. It's a Boat Stone 1000 at my sister's place. So it's a good speaker. Like you can listen to some really like music output is really good. It's decent. It's good, and the bass is really good. Like you can hear the bass pretty loud and clear. It's good. So I just got a thought. Now that I don't have a big bass amplifier out here, I just got a thought. Why not use this as as this as a bass amplifier for practice? Sorry for that. So yeah, I just thought why not use it as a bass amplifier for practice. So yeah, I've come up with this thing. I'll show you the connection, how I've done, and I've got the output. So for demo, I'll just quickly do like a 12 bar blues, and then I'll just show you all. I'll go through the connections. I'll just show you all how I did it. Okay, cool. So yeah, महाभारत हो रहा है तो sorry for that. My parents are watching it, so I'm missing the episode today. Anyways, yeah, so this is the connection. Just quickly show it. Uh, I've got this compressor and DI pedal, Harley Benton. So it's a pretty handy and really portable stuff. So I use this for my gigs as well. It's got a EQ and compressor. So yeah, it's got an EQ compressor, and I'll just show you all the input lines. There's a line in input through if I want to bypass the effects, and in my output I've got a DI out, a earphone out, and your amplifier output. So now this speaker, this Boat Stone 1000, yeah, it's got this aux thing, yeah. So I got the output of the phone output to the aux of the speaker. Input, this goes to my bass guitar, okay, and I've connected the line in to my laptop. So that's the connection. So it's good to, like, just for practice purpose and all. It's pretty handy and portable and not bad for like